question number 13, which states let A equals cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Find the value of a to the power minus 50. Remember, it's minus 50 here. At theta equals pi by 12, and theta's value is given out to be pi by 12, on which we need to determine, and 4 options are given here. So let's have a look at its solution. First, let me take the highlighter, then we'll go to the solution. So A is a rotation matrix, so a to the power n can be written as, we can put n before theta everywhere, so cos n theta minus sin n theta, and cos n theta. And a to the power minus 50, which means n is replaced by minus 50, so inside the brackets also everywhere in place of n minus 50 would come. So basically rule of cos of minus theta, sin of minus theta would be applied, as to which becomes negative on theta becoming negative and which doesn't. So we know cos of minus theta remains cos of plus theta as well, and sin theta becomes minus sin theta. So we see cos 50, first term becomes cos 50 theta, second becomes, since it was already negative, the sign is reciprocated because sin becomes negative on when theta becomes negative. So it comes out to be sin 50 theta, then third is minus sin 50 theta, and fourth is cos 50 theta. So a to the power minus 50 at theta pi by 12 is, we put the value of theta here everywhere. In place of theta we put pi by 12, so we get cos 25 pi by 6, sin 25 pi by 6, minus sin 25 pi by 6, and cos 25 pi by 6. So we put their values, which comes out to be root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and root 3 by 2. So our answer, this matrix basically corresponds to option number 2. So our answer is option number 2.